For most of my life, anxiety have been a really big problem. It shows up when I'm out talking to people. It shows up when I'm doing a really difficult task in front of everyone or even, by myself or, when I face a really difficult problem that just came to my life suddenly without any notice. I always get freaked out. I always get, tense up and my body would get stiff and I cannot breathe like normal. And the anxiety is just that bad to me. And for the last 3 years, I've been actively trying to cure my anxiety. And you probably heard a lot of people saying that in order to help you to calm down and fix your anxiety, you have to breathe, you have to meditate, and you have to do that every day. And I'm not disagreeing with it. Like, that's really good and I'm still doing it every day. But I want to show you a long-term habits that can have a great impact, even better than meditation. And I've done this for a long time, so I know how it feels. Okay, I'm not talking just nonsense. I'm talking from experience. So hear me out. When you're bored, when you have nothing to do, you can replace your habits of scrolling on your phone or just doing some shit that is wasting your time and energy. Try to go out, bro. Like, let's you have to look at your cities or your suburbs as a mini map, and on those mini maps there are dots of houses, of places, of parks, of festival places that you can explore and complete your quest. And to me, I would like to visual this as a video game. Like, it's like I'm going on an adventure. I'm going on to do a mission to complete a quest, like talking to 5 strangers, talking to 10 strangers, and to capture like 10 exotic trees in my eyesight. Like, just simple as that. And you know, I go out at least like, bro, like 12 hours a day, bro. Like, I go out a lot, and it's kind of really helped me to calm down, bro. Because I know this at the end of each each time I go out, I would not feel the anxiety anymore. When I'm close to other people, the anxiety is just like this little. Like, I'll tell you that I'm not exaggerating. I'm not saying that it's godly. It's a holy habit that you have to follow. No, it's optional. It works for me and it suits me the best. And I will combine that with meditation, and that is my plan to cure anxiety. And you when you hear this, you might think that, oh, this is so obvious, this is so that, but guess what? Almost nobody is doing it. They stay in their room for way too much. They watch their phone, they play their laptop, they play on their PC for way too long, bro. Touch some grass. Especially for those who have social anxiety, as just like me, bro. It's been a really difficult time for me to make friends and talk to people. Like, it feels so much friction because of the anxiety. But when I got that out my way, things just got completely, totally easier. Like, I'll tell you that from experience, bro. Like, I'm not gonna sit here just told you what to do this and what to do that while I did not do it. Like, it just doesn't make sense, right? Like, I'm telling to you to do something, and but I don't do it myself. It's like going to a personal trainer that is really fat and unfit. Like, would you take advice from him? And I'm trying to be that person every day by going out more, experiencing more, study more, and I've been on this journey for way too long, bro, and I just love it. I'm facing ups and downs, and I'm going through, you know, uh, I have no word to express, but it's just amazing, bro. It's even though I fail, even though I success, like anything can happen. But as long as I keep a positive attitude to life, everything is possible, bro. Stay strong, and thank you for watching.